This is 8-2 and this is 9-2. So it's quite easy if you know the number of the place where you want to go. Good morning. As you can see, it's a bit of a cloudy day, which means it doesn't make too much sense for me to go and biking today. It's Sunday morning, 9:30, so we decided to go to the Chatuchak Market. Haven't been for the Chatuchak Market for a really long time, and normally it's a place where you go when you have friends and family visiting, but obviously that hasn't happened for 1.5 years. So today we are going to the market. Okay. So there are actually two ways to go to the Chatuchak Market with the public transport or with the train. So one is with the MRT, which is in the city center, the subway, and that one will bring you directly to the Kamphaeng Phet Station, which is in the middle of the market. But I am going with the train with the BTS to Mo Chit, and I think if you are here on holiday and you want to experience Bangkok, then maybe the BTS is a nicer option because you have this kind of views on the way. So as I mentioned, today is a bit of a cloudy day, which is actually a perfect day to do some shopping at Chatuchak. Normally it's always very hot when the sun is shining. So I will see you guys at the market. So we just arrived at the Mo Chit Station, and from this point you actually have a very nice view of the Chatuchak Park. There's 3 parks and it's combined the biggest park in Bangkok, and I made a nice biking video in there. Then over there you see the train station, the Bangsu, and here you have the Chatuchak Market. So let's go down to the market. We just came from the BTS and we're at the entrance of the market now. So it's 10 minutes to 10. So let's see how the Chatuchak Market looks at the moment. We'll do our scan. Sawadee krap. Okay. Sawadee krap. So here we're getting to the main street in Chatuchak. Yeah, it's early morning now, so we didn't expect too much, and because of the overcast it's actually quite comfortable to go around here now. So normally this would be the perfect opportunity to go to the market. So, but as you can see, there is not much going on, unfortunately. A little bit later on I will show you where the MRT station is. So if you want to come to the market when everything is normal again, then you can take the MRT as well. So we needed a new teapot, so this is a perfect space. How much?
So this is 110 and this is 85.
Okay.
5 โลได้เหรอต้มไม่มีสีแดง5 โลสีแดง
Yeah, so normally when you come here you can negotiate a little bit, but I don't think this is the time to negotiate. So we just pay the price that's on the tickets and that's it. Vamos? This is actually the most comfortable, weather-wise, most comfortable time that I've ever been to the Chatuchak market, because it's a bit fresh and the sun is not shining that hard. Oh, look at these statues. So my mother back home, she has a boxer. I grew up with boxers. This is amazing. A really cool statue, cool dog. Shall we get one for Etta for this?
Yes. True.
It's interesting. So this part of the market is all like cups and teacups and how do you call this, Mira? Pottery and cool shorts. Yeah, so here also you have a few shopping malls. So this is called the mixed Chatuchak, and then behind you you have the JJ Market. Aroma. So like these oils. You want to get an original Thai coffee, and this is a nice place, or a smoothie. Coasters. So if you walk through this path you get to the clock tower. The clock tower is located in the center of the market. Yeah, so officially the market opens at 9 o'clock, but we noticed that a lot of shops are opening a little bit later. So I guess around this time, you know, during this crisis, let's say like that, I think the best time to come here is around 10 or 11. So what is that?
So what I did is gram masala, and this is biryani seasoning. So
Okay.
whatever you need, some curries and rice and different.
Spice Smile, section 17, sorry, 9. So they have a lot of different ingredients here. Mirella sometimes likes to cook some local food, and then it's perfect to have these spices from here.
Yeah. I don't know what is this one.
It's for make a tom yum soup in
Oh,
Thailand.
right. Okay, right. Too difficult to make.
Here you can get a whole tom yum set.
Tom yum set. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah? So-
Yeah. a little bit. Did I put curry? Curry have there?
No.
Okay. So all these packages have. So this is like
So
10 baht for the white
spices.
sesame.
Do you want some back?
No,
No,
it's
it's
fine.
okay.
Without, thank you. Kamphaeng
Okay.
Phet.
Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ
Thank you.
Have a good day นะ Bye bye.
บายสวัสดีค่ะ
Yeah, so if you're in the market here, all the rows or all the alleyways, they have a number. So this, for example, is section 17, soy 8/3, and this is soy 9/3. So section 17 is the whole area that you have here, and then we're in soy 9, which means road 9, and this is 8/2, and this is 9/2. So it's quite easy if you know the number of the place where you want to go. So here we are at section number 7, and this is a bit of an artist quarter. So let's see how it looks. See, this is a very nice place if you want to buy some art for your home, for example. And normally here there is a nice bar. Unfortunately, it seems to be closed. Sorry, Cap. Which Roman emperor is this? I don't know, I think he's a guy. Huh?
There's a lady face there.
Yeah. See, here you have all kinds of original art. Sorry, Cap. โชคมากๆนะครับ
มาเช้าร้านก็
Yeah, this is very nice if you want to decorate your home. Unfortunately, our home is already decorated. It's a nice coffee shop here. Sorry, cup. Cocoa drip. Yeah, so here you have a map of the whole market. So what I mentioned before, you have all these sections. So where we just were is here, section number 7, which is the, let's call it artists quarter. And before we were in section number 17. And it's actually quite easy to get around.
There is also an app that you can download, which is the Chatuchak Market app.
And that has
And
the
you-
map on it as
yes,
well.
all the
Okay,
details.
great.
Easy to navigate.
So I think this is the place where normally... Is this where you normally have the Spanish restaurant or
I
not?
wanted to ask actually, I was not sure.
I think so, no?
I thought
This
so
is where the
too.
paella man is normally. Yeah, so normally when the Chatuchak is in full swing, this is the perfect place to get your souvenirs. It's a nice shop here for getting plants. I think whoever is on holiday in Bangkok should come and have a look here. It's open every Saturday and Sunday. It opens officially at 9, closes at 6. Next to the BTS station, I mean, it's easy to connect here with the BTS and the MRT. And yeah, these are the perfect spaces where you can get your same but different t-shirts, or the Beer Lao t-shirts. So yeah, so we came here with the BTS and we are going back with the MRT. And here on this corner of the market you have the MRT station, and you can recognize it from this tower over here where you have the sign of the MRT on it. And I will show you, it's directly at the market. Up. Yeah, so this station is Kamphaeng Phet, directly at the Chatuchak Market. So if you come from here, you have a direct connection to Asok. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to drop me a comment in the comment box. And see you guys in my next video.